Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open Quad View in Blender. It may be really useful function if you are projecting 3D objects. Okay, so let's start from beginning. So for example, we have here this one object. If you would like to turn on toggle quad view, you can use one from two available methods. So in first method, we need to go to view settings, and here you will find a lot of really useful options. We need to go lower, and we are interested in to go to area, because here we have something like toggle quad view. We need to select this one option, and then toggle quad view will be successfully opened here. Now of course you can use this view how you want, everything depends on your preferences. You have here top orthographic, front orthographic or right orthographic. And of course the second option to turn on this mode is use the shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl-Alt-Q. So if you will press this combination of keys, you will see that toggle quad view has been successfully turned on. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. If you have any questions, include them in comment. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.